Good morning, YouTubers. I am filming a how-to video. I am filming this video for Carly Reese. I know Carly Reese from our Family Nest YouTube channel, and she's got her own YouTube channel, Carly Reese, Karlireese, if you want to go check out her channel. And if you want to go check out our Family Nest, you can go check that channel out and subscribe. I am in my kitchen, and I will show you how to set the clock on this NINGA coffee maker. The clock is set wrong. It is 8:42 right now. So what you gotta do, locate the hour button at the top. It will flash. And then keep pushing the hour button until you reach the correct hour. It's 8, now 43. Now the minute button is at the bottom of the hour button. And it will flash, and then it will stop. I'll check my phone. 8:43. And that's how to set the clock on a NINGA coffee maker. And you can program this NINGA coffee maker to make a cup of coffee. You can brew a travel size. If you drink your coffee out of a Arctic tumbler like I do every morning, and you can make a half carafe of coffee or a full carafe of coffee. I personally will always use a Keurig. And subscribe to my channel, Jeremy M. And share this video with your friends and family. And be who you are. Don't let no one judge you. Keep your heart open, your arms open. I love you with all my heart, and God loves you. Love is stronger than hate. So please be kind to others and love thy neighbor, and God bless you.